Hi everyone, so today I actually wanted to do an unboxing. If you don't know, I am actually a hairdresser. So this was actually sent to me by Salon Centric. It's not paid promotion, sponsored, or anything like that at all. This is actually something that I won, and I actually feel so proud of myself because I won this, and I just wanted to show you what I got in this box. So first things first, we got this little pouch, and it's by Olaplex, and it's actually really cute. It's kind of a mesh type of pouch. It's really cute. I'm gonna see what I can use it for. I think I'm gonna use it for my combs and clips, and sectioning clips. Then we also have the Biolage Bond Therapy Conditioning Foam. It says Conditioning Foam Mousse Revitalisant. This is actually one of my favorite brands, Biolage. It's like really good for scalp care, so this is, yeah, I like this. I also got this thermal styling brush by Sam Villa, and you guys can see it's like this. We also have the Matrix Food for Soft multi-use hair oil serum. I actually have their shampoo and conditioner, and it really leaves your hair like super soft. I love the shampoo and conditioner, so I'm so excited to try that. And this is also the little card that came with it. I opened it, I was too excited. So Cristina, thank you for being a Salon Centric partner. We appreciate you, xoxo Salon Centric. This actually, I won it through one of the classes that they offer, and it was like really, it was a really interesting class. It was about the POS system, so I recommend their classes. And it was free too, so definitely recommend. If you're a cosmetologist, esthetician, or anything like that, definitely recommend doing their classes. We also have the Stay High Hold Gel to Mousse by Redken. I love working with Redken too. We also have the tube key. This is for like color. If you do a lot of color, you put your color tube in here and then you just roll it. This is really good. Make sure that you have all the product out. Then we have the Redken 22 High Hold Thermal Spray, and it says hot sets, and it's up to 450 or 230 degrees Celsius, heat protectant. Can't wait to use that. I was actually looking for something like this in my kit. I do a lot of updos, and I've been looking for a texture product, volume powder. This is really good. It adds a lot of volume to your hair, so if your hair is like super pin straight like mine, this is great to give it grit. And I'm so happy that I can actually put this into my kit. Then we have the Boost Self Tan Lotion Instant Bronzer in cool brown with violet undertones. Hopefully this will look good on me. I'm already a little bit tan. But now that the winter's here, we can definitely use a tan once in a while. Then we have the product grip clips. This is little sectioning clips. Here it says perfect for clipping foils up and away during color application. Non-slip comfort grip makes clips easy to hold. Stainless steel for superior durability. Then we also have this. I can't wait to use this. This is the Eco Wrap See-Through Degradable Highlighting Strips. So we have the regular, like, I want to say aluminum foil that we use for highlights and for lightener. And this is actually something that, it's an alternative to that foil. So now I can't wait to use this in my colors. So as we were talking about foil, the other one, this is like really cute. It has like 25 and you have like zebra print, you have like cheetah, or leopard. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh. And it's like a really nice foil too. It's really, I love the texture too. Can't wait to use this. This has 25 of the foil in here. So yeah, can't wait. Then we have the Redken 24/7 Night and Day Serum. And I've been seeing a lot of this. And it's like the acidic bonding. Oh my gosh, guys. This is gonna leave your hair super shiny. I already used it. It's like a gloss for your hair. Like, even though it's not a gloss, it makes your hair super soft and shiny. It's the best. I already used it and it's the best. Although I haven't opened up this one, so I don't know exactly what I got. But on the picture it shows you. Oh my gosh, I got a sleeping mask, right what I need. I got a sleeping mask. And I also have the serum for the Redken 24/7 Night and Day Serum. This is nice. And like it says right there. It says right there, let me see if I can see it. Okay. It says combat daily damage overnight. So the before, and then it shows you the after. It leaves your hair 9 times stronger. 92% agree hair looks and feels healthy after 24 hours. Use on damp or dry hair. So this is the shampoo and conditioner. Like, I love this stuff. It's really, really good, and I can't wait to use this now. So, love it. And last but not least, we also have a Salon Centric little notebook. So here I can put all my notes for all the classes that I'm taking in Salon Centric. This is really, really nice. I like that I can, oh, this is cute. It says important contacts. And I think that's all, right? Oh, and it has the dates. But this is really nice, like, to have and take notes for my classes. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for my box that I won. I'm so happy. I hope you guys like this video, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!